Jonas, I have a question. What exactly are you doing here?
I'm flying a drone simulator remotely through Sweden.
So, if I understand correctly what you're saying, so this laptop is now remoting a drone, obviously running in a simulator, so it's not a real drone, but you are in real time flying a drone simulator through Sweden, and the drone itself, the simulator is running on this computer here.
Yes.
And this is the full control loop, the control signals and remote rendering from the simulator is happening through Sweden. And that's just insane.
On a 4G hotspot.
Through 4G hotspot. Everything over XRTC. 5G hotspot, so everything is XRTC accelerated TCP. All the control signals and the video stream coming from the drone. Is this correct understanding?
Yes.
That is madness. Look at that real timeness between the left side is the drone in the simulator and the right side is the remote operator that is controlling through the XRTC accelerated full control loop through Sweden. Finland. That is insane. Wow. Cool. Super cool. Thank you, Jonas.